Hi, in this video I will show how to use ACH to Excel converting app. This is my website. I will link on this site into the description. To find the app, I will click on search and type ACH, and then click on ACH viewer and converter, and click on ACH to Excel and click on download button, and wait until archive will be downloaded to my computer. I will be recording more video on ACH files and on converting tools, so if you're interested in more videos, please consider subscribing to my account. Also, ACH files are bank statement files. It contains information about bank statement and transactions. You can see archive has been downloaded, and I'll click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside the archive, click on more info. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation, and click on next install, click on yes, and click on finish here. And you can see app has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this, and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process, and first step I have to select input file. Step 1, I'll click to select input file button and navigate to my documents where my ACH files are located. And there is a folder for ACH called ACH, yep, this one, and I'll select transaction tool, doesn't matter. And click on next step. There are no conversion options yet here on this, but if you think of any options that could tweak a converting process, please let me know. I will add them in next versions. So right now I'll just click next step and click on run on final step, and it's asking me for name and location of the file. This name and location is okay. Let's just click save, and it's saying that file has been created. Let's go and see file. I'll double click on Excel file. I don't have Excel on this computer. I have Excel Mobile, which is free version of Excel, but it's capable to show Excel files, but it's not allowing me to change column width and all things. But basically we can see, so there is like 3 sections of this Excel document. First section will be like header, and it contains information about account. So all these fields are basically header, because there are header, footer, and transaction inside of ACH. This application will try to flatten everything into one file. This is why we have header columns, we have transactions columns, including receiving, amount, individual code, and account type, and trace numbers. And also footer columns will be at the end. So basically, if I want, for example, only transaction columns, I can delete rest and have a table with all transactions in it. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments. Thank you.